Hi everyone. Welcome to my class. Another Friday, right?
Yeah.
So we have a lot of activities during the weekend. But I have to tell you again, please pay attention to my class. It's very important. It will appear in your final exams, right? I have repeated this expression again and again, but I hope you can remember it. Today we will talk about vector. It's a Before we start this discussion, I want to introduce two quantities. The first one is speed. The second one is velocity. Is there anyone who can tell me the difference between these two quantities? Just try. Difference between them. Yep.
Speed has only magnitude, and velocity has magnitude and also direction.
Good answer. Thank you. So speed only have magnitude. Velocity has not only magnitude but also direction. So direction is the difference between speed and velocity. In physics or mathematics, we call quantities like speed that only have magnitude, we call it scalar. Quantities similar to velocity, which have not only magnitude but also direction, we call it vector. In order to make everyone know the difference between vector and scalar, when we write down scalar and vector expressions, there will be a little difference on the expression. For example, speed, if we just write it like S stands for speed, but when it comes to velocity, V, the letter, there is no problem. But I need to add this arrow, which tells us this quantity has direction. So you have to add this arrow because this is the only difference, right?
I have a question.
Yep.
So always arrow pointing out the right side, or it depends on the direction we change the arrow?
This expression
Yes.
is always like this.
Okay.
Always like this.
So
For
you
this-
cannot tell there is a direction
Yeah, I will talk
which
about
way,
it.
but there.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I want to talk about it.
Okay.
This is only be marked as the direction.
Okay.
But regarding the direction, we have another expression to stand for.
Okay.
So now we should pay attention to velocity. I want to give you an example. I hope it can help you to understand the velocity, its magnitude and direction. For example, this is our classroom. In a map, this is the east direction, this is west, this is north direction, and this is south. This is our classroom in the center. Now we want to go to the bookstore. Is there anyone who can tell us how to go to the bookstore from the classroom? Eastern direction, north direction.
Northeast.
Just try.
The 2 o'clock.
Okay. According to our daily experience, maybe we should walk from the classroom to the east 100 meters. And then turn left on the street. Maybe 50 meters. So in the coordination system, just assume this is the plus x-axis, This is the plus y-axis. Now we want to know the dislocation from the classroom to the bookstore. The dislocation means the quantity which has not only the distance or magnitude, but also the direction. When we want to express it, we will write it like this. Dislocation, don't forget the arrow. 100, the unit is meter long. 100 times x. This is also a vector plus. So from this expression, you will know the magnitude, right? Because this is coordination system, you can calculate this distance. The distance is the magnitude in this example. You can also know the direction. But it is go down 100 meters to the eastern direction and then turn left and go to 50 meters to the north direction. So the directions can be shown, and the magnitude we can also calculate it. Everyone clear about it?
So why is different from Pythagoras equations, like a triangle to points, classroom to bookstore? We know from the math we using the Pythagoras equation to find out the direction, but you only put the equation for 100x plus 50y.
Yeah.
It's different.
In the map, we can just say from this point to this point, the distance is what, and just walk from this point to this point directly. But in your daily life, you have to tell someone, for example, one new graduate student comes here, you want to tell him how to go to the bookstore, you have to tell him go to the east and then turn to the north. So you need to tell them the directions.
So current has both magnitude and direction, right?
Yeah.
So is it a vector?
Excuse?
Current is a vector or a scalar quantity?
Oh, speed, velocity?
Yeah.
Oh, you
No.
missed the beginning.
I'm
right?
asking, yeah, I know what you are teaching.
Mm-hmm.
I'm asking, is current a vector or scalar?
Current.
Current.
Current. How to spell it? Can you spell it?
CURRENT.
Oh, it's
Electric
electrical
current.
engineering.